Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So y'all, yesterday we had this type of storm or something that come through. I don't know what it was. And I just walked out here to check everything in the back. All the greenhouses and stuff good. But y'all, let me show you what happened. Look at this. I hope it ain't damaged my stuff too bad. This is my pear, my plum and my pear. Both of them, some kind of way, was knocked over. And this is my fig tree. So it's going directly into my fig tree. So we're finna try to get this raised up and see the damage. I know I had one pear on this tree that was growing, and hopefully it's not damaged. Hopefully it's not damaged, man. Oh my goodness, we starting the grow season off with a bang when it comes to the weather. Oh, okay. Oh, let's see. See if I see that one pear. I'm gonna get some and stake this down. It was on this. Oh, it's right there. I still got it. Look, y'all. Still got it. Right there. So I'm gonna have to eventually stake this down. Now we gotta pull the plum tree, and look at my fig tree. It bent some leaves, of course. So the plum one is over in here. So we're gonna pull this one up and see if there's any more damage on the fig tree, which it should be fine, but yeah. Yeah, we shall see. Oh, he's gonna go ahead and pull it up now. See, this right here is like this because it broke it. It broke a couple of them. That's my plum. Yeah, it broke this too. It broke these two. Don't look like it's nothing else broke on it, but I'm definitely gonna stake those trees down in those containers with the trees in it. Definitely gonna stake them down. Alright, y'all, so they have been staked down. Oh, okay, I see what he did. They keep like all the way around to keep it from moving. And it's on the other side, and that one is done the same way too. So hopefully they won't be moving out of the area. Hopefully they won't. This wind has been something crazy. She'll stand back up soon. That little area right there, she should be fine. She just leaned over a little bit, right, only right here where it had fell through, but she's not broke. Okay, so all right, y'all, so next I'm about to harvest some peas. I got some dwarf size dwarf gray peas that needs to be harvested. If I can move this hose, that needs to be harvested. I have Kylie filming, so bear with her. But this right here, there's a lot of beans, and these are my dwarf gray sugar snaps. That's what they are, dwarf gray sugar snaps. So I got a lot of flowers. It's doing what I wanted to do. I am probably going to end up staking, no, not staking, I'm gonna end up zip tying the tomato cages to this so I can make sure it stay up, but it's doing what I want it to do. I wanted it to start trellising up the cage. That was my goal. I'm still probably going to get chicken wire to a hardware wire to go across the top, just so I can have things go up and start trellising down, hanging inside of it. So come on right here, make sure they can see me picking them. So I am about to pick my dwarf gray sugar snaps. See if I can pull them. I may have to have somebody get me a cutter. Okay, I can pull them like that. Because I don't want to lose them. I don't want them to burst. I kind of have to look deep because they blend in so good. So good. They all down here. Come down here, son. Got some small ones down here. But they are dwarf. I am going to take them because they are bulging a little bit. So I don't want to lose them. Okay. And then this is going to encourage the plant to grow. See, like this one right here. It's dry. But that's seeds now. It's going to dry a little bit more. And that is seeds. I'm going to put it in there. I'll pick it out later. But they bulging out like this. I want to go ahead and get them. I'm going to get some and cut these weeds out of here. But now I'm just looking through. Like I say, they blend in so good. And they are dwarfs, so they're not going to get extremely big without starting to being too much. Oh, those are little bitty ones. You can see the little peas in them. This right here, see, they not ready. You can see the little peas in them a little bit. Oh, see how much I can get off in here. See, yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to zip tie this down. I'm definitely gonna have to zip tie this down closer to the thing. So it's a lot over here, y'all. Like I say, they blend in so good. Arm is long. I know I'm gonna have to go on the outside because it's quite a bit over there. When I say they blend in so good, they blend in so well. Look at this. This long one, I've been standing right here and I didn't even see it. I didn't even see it. I have to be careful because the plant is you don't want to break and damage your plant, okay? We got flowers up here, and y'all know flowers means food, okay? And they flowers are so pretty. Look at this right here, y'all. These are little ones coming. You see them at the end of the flower? That is so pretty. Okay, let me make sure I got everything from deep within. Make sure you got them going in too. See, like this one right here, right in my face. And I missed it. This one right here can go long because I can see the beans in there, the peas in there are small. But this one right here, I'm gonna go ahead and take. Because I like them when they tender. Look at this. They blend in. Are you getting this? Mm-hmm. They blend in. I'm sitting right here, standing right here and don't even see them. They blend in so well. I'm hitting them and don't even notice it. Let's see. I feel like I'm missing some, probably right in my face. Right here. And then I know I'm gonna have to go on the outside. I gotta clean those weeds out of there. But yeah, let's go on the outside of it. I thought we was going on the outside, y'all, but I started finding even more. Like I say, they blend in so well. So well. Let me see if I can. Okay, we're gonna go on the outside. Woo, look y'all. Look right here. Y'all see the beans? Let's see what we got here. For these. I love harvesting. These are small, but they coming. These are small, but I'm gonna go ahead and take them. Well, I'm gonna take this one. On down here, that's a good one. This is a good one. Let's see if I get my hand in here. I love this time of year, y'all. But it's harvest time for some stuff. I'm so happy that I was able to start it on time so I can get something. I'm looking, y'all, because they be blending in.
Okay, y'all, that's the end of this video. I hope y'all was motivated and inspired. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one if it's God's will. Y'all be safe, okay? Until next time. Bye.